Dear students, welcome back to the art class. This is Manpreet Kaur from the Millennium School. In previous session we have learned about how to make eyes mask. In today's video we are going to learn cartoon Doraemon. I know you all like to see and draw the cartoons. Before starting the topics, let's have a look on the material required for today's video. Material required for today's video is paper, oil pastel colors, pencil and eraser. So let's start with the today's topic, Doraemon cartoon. So first we have to make one circle for a face of Doraemon. Try to draw circle with a free hand. And when you are drawing, so you have to draw it lightly first. When you feel now it's okay, you can do dark, then you have to do dark. So first you have to do lightly. So now we'll make a body of it. For body, first we will take a measurement with one box. Now we'll divide that box from the down in two parts, that is legs of Doraemon. Now we'll make a feet. Like this. Now we have to make arm. One should be up and one should be down. So here we have done drawing of arms. Now we'll make a center area. So first we will make a magic lock of Doraemon. You know what is this? This is a magic lock of Doraemon. Now we'll make one circle of inside of this box. So first we have to take a measurement. We'll make a 3 points like this. Then we will join it. So this is the easy way to make a circle. Now we'll make a semicircle inside of it. In face we need one more circle. Again we will make a 3 points. Then we will join them. 3. Like this you have to join them. Now we'll make eyes. For eyes you have to make oval shape. And it should be joined from the center area. Then erase this extra lines from the eyes. Now we'll make a nose. For nose you have to make one small circle near the eyes. Now we'll make a mouth. For mouth you have to make a half circle. Like this. Now we'll show the tongue of Doraemon. So our drawing is done. Now we'll do coloring. So for coloring, first you have to take dark blue color. Then outlining the Doraemon where you want to do blue color. So first you do outlining. Then it's easy to color. It will not spoil your drawing. Your color will not go out. So first you have to do outlining that area where you want to do color, blue color. So like this you have to do outline. Now we'll do some shade with this dark blue color, and then we will mix this color with a sky blue color. So these area you have to color with a dark blue color like this. Now we'll mix with a sky blue color. After the sky blue color, we'll mix this color with a finger. Then we'll cover this white space with the finger. Then it will look more nice. Now we'll do face. For face you have to do same. First you do outlining with a dark blue color. Now give some shade with dark blue color like this, here and here. Now mix with the sky blue color again. Then again you have to mix with a finger. And cover this white space. So now we'll take orange, brown and red color for a mouth. So first we'll start with the orange. In tongue we have to use orange color. Now we'll give a shade with the red color. Color this belt with a red color. So first you have to do outlining, then you have to color. Have to mix with the finger. Now we'll do mouth. So first you have to do brown color in the outer area and do outlining with the brown color. Now mix brown color with the red color. Before starting the mixing with finger, first you have to clean your finger, then you have to mix it. Otherwise it will spoil your drawing. Another color will come in your drawing, no? So it will spoil. Now we'll do nose. First we have to outline with a red color and leave some white space and do white color there. Then again you have to mix this white color with the red color like this. Now we'll do magic lock of Doraemon with a medium yellow. Now our coloring is done. Now we'll start outlining. So you have to do outlining of full Doraemon. So first you have to start from upper side. First we have done eyes. Now slowly we will cover all the parts of Doraemon with the black color. then it will look more attractive. So you have to full outlining with a black color. Here 3 lines, then nose, the mouth of Doraemon. So you have to do outlining full Doraemon. Don't leave any part. And when you are outlining, don't put your hand on the Doraemon, otherwise it will spoil your drawing. If you want to put your hand, then you can put one tissue under your hand, then you can put. Otherwise don't touch your hand with the colors. Now mix with the finger for shading. इस तरीके से अपने हाथ को उठा के रखना है, टच नहीं करना कलर्स के साथ, अदरवाइज़ ये फैल जाएंगे। और अगर आपसे ऐसे नहीं हो रहा तो एक टिश्यू रखना है पेपर इसके ऊपर, और फिर आप इजीली कर सकते हो आउटलाइन। सो लाइक दिस वे यू हैव टू आउटलाइनिंग द फुल Doraemon. Now we'll take one pencil and we'll use this in magic lock. This is the magic lock of Doraemon, you know. And we have to give final touch with the pencil of eyes. Now we'll use grey color. At the one side you have to give a shade with the grey color, another side it will be white only. Next with the white color. Same way you have to color the feet. One side you have to give a shade with the grey, then mix with the white color. Now we'll do in hands. Same way, first you have to use grey, then white for mixing. So our Doraemon is ready. Try to do the same on your art file. So this is the end of today's session. Thank you.